Hi, this is Warren Krinsky with the RSC Group. The purpose of today's demo is to show users how to create and connect to in-memory data files using Tableau 7.0. The steps are fairly simple. We're going to go into Tableau Desktop Client. Simply connect to data and select one of the sources of which you'd like to connect to. For our purposes today, I'm going to use the Microsoft SQL Server OLTP database. You'll see here I select the server name and I'm going to use just my SA user so I have access to all the data. And then I'm going to connect to a database file, in my case a BI data warehouse, which was actually built into a OLAP solution, but I'm going to use the logic that was built in there to create a in-memory file. You have several choices here in which you'd like to define the connection. A single table, pretty straightforward. Multiple tables, where you can create joins using the user interface within Tableau, or custom SQL to pull data specifically based on a query. For today's purposes, I'm going to use custom SQL, and I have written a small script that will just allow me to pull sales budget information for the year of 2005. Before I hit OK, keep in mind this connection info is what is going to always connect that specific data source to the file. You can use Windows NT integrated security if you prefer for security purposes. Just to reiterate, today I used the SA user just for the sake of the demo. We hit OK and we have the choice now to select how we want to connect to our data. So connect live, where the data connection will always be available and we'll have live access to real-time information in our SQL Server database. We can import all data into a TDE file, which is a Tableau data extract, or we can import a subset of that data with the same logic as we would with the import all data. Today we're going to import all data. We're going to select a file location for that TDE file, which I've got right up on the screen. I've created a file name for the extract. Hit save, and at this point, this is when data is being saved to the file, the queries run, and because my query is quite limited, it was pretty quick. We now have access to our dimensions and our measures based on Tableau's data engine, and we can begin to create our dashboard. Thank you very much.